Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the Micromolar podcast. Today is Wednesday, August 5, 2026.
Eli Lilly delivered another exceptional quarter, reporting $23 billion in second quarter revenue, easily beating Wall Street expectations. Tirzepatide continues to fuel the company's growth, although its oral GLP-1 program, Foundayo, still appears to trail Novo Nordisk's competing oral obesity strategy.
Clinical research giant ICON is bringing Anthropic's Claude large language model into its global clinical trial operations. The AI will be used to assist with protocol reviews, clinical documentation, data management, and other operational workflows that traditionally consume significant staff time. This is one of the largest real-world deployments of generative AI inside the clinical research organization industry.
Eli Lilly has discontinued yet another gene therapy program inherited through its approximately $1 billion acquisition of Prevail Therapeutics. The decision reflects continuing difficulties developing gene therapies for neurodegenerative diseases, and raises questions about how much of the original Prevail pipeline Lilly ultimately expects to commercialize.
Amgen has discontinued an early-stage obesity candidate, leaving MariTide as the company's clear lead metabolic program. With Lilly and Novo Nordisk continuing to dominate the obesity market, MariTide now carries even greater strategic importance as Amgen's primary opportunity to establish itself in one of biopharma's fastest-growing therapeutic areas.
Sanofi-backed Expedition has secured an additional $115 million to advance its COPD therapy into phase 2 development. Beyond the financing itself, investors are paying attention because Expedition is adapting the increasingly influential China NewCo model, combining cross-border drug development with Western financing.
Merck delivered a split decision in mid-stage inflammatory disease trials, with one indication meeting expectations while another failed to demonstrate sufficient benefit. The results reinforce an increasingly common lesson in immunology drug development. Success in one inflammatory disease does not necessarily translate into others, even when targeting the same biological pathway.
Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals has purchased a priority review voucher, PRV, for $215 million, giving the company the option to accelerate FDA review of a future product. The transaction highlights how valuable these vouchers have become, particularly for companies with late-stage assets, where several months of earlier commercialization can justify paying hundreds of millions of dollars.
Gilead reported stronger-than-expected performance for Yeztugo, helping its HIV pre-exposure prophylaxis business exceed $1 billion in revenue. The milestone reinforces Gilead's continued leadership in HIV prevention despite increasing competition and reflects sustained demand for longer-acting prevention options.
Hinge Health is acquiring Cylinder Health for $105 million, marking its entry into digestive health. The acquisition signals a broader trend among digital health companies, expanding beyond a single specialty into integrated chronic disease management platforms capable of serving patients across multiple conditions.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the Micromolar podcast.